welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Let's go for today's recipe. Today's recipe is going to be chicken with potatoes and salad at the side. Let's go. As you can see, I already washed my chicken. Now I'm just going to season it by adding salt. I will add some chicken broth seasoning. Then I'll add some black pepper. Add some Mediterranean seasoning. It's a mixture of different spices together. Now I'll add 2 teaspoons of mustard, then I'll mix it all together. I will add 1 teaspoon of tomato puree, then I'll mix it well, then I'll keep the chicken into the fridge for at least 2 hours. Inside the saucepan, I'll add a bit of water, then I will peel my potatoes, then I'll cut it into little pieces after. After peeling my potatoes, now I will cut it into little pieces. Then I will rinse it out with water. Let's go! After rinsing out my potatoes, I will put it inside the bowl, which I'll add salt and then add other spices later. I will add vegetables seasoning. And I will add Mediterranean seasoning. Is a mixture of different spices. I will add a bit of chicken seasoning, and then I'll put a bit of olive oil, and then I'll mix it well together. Let's go. Inside my oven tray, I'll add a bit of olive oil on top, then I will lay down my potatoes and then I'll put the chicken on top. garlic. Add the bay leaf and then I'll put it in the oven for like 30 minutes at 180 degrees. 30 minutes later, I'll take off my platter from the oven, which I will turn my chicken. Look at that chicken, it's very nice and juicy. I'll turn it over and then I will put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes for the other side to cook. Minutes later, look at that chicken. Oh my god, it's so juicy. I will put my chicken into the serving plate, then I will do my salad. Let's go. I will put the gravy that was left over under the chicken and the potatoes, and I'll put it in the bowl to put it aside. Alright, I'm gonna start washing up my salads. As you can see, after washing up my salad, I always wash my salads. You know, when you buy salad from the store, they will just say, oh yeah, it's already washed. Always wash it, you never know what you can find inside. And then I'll cut it into little pieces because I love to have my salad not to be too chunky, like to have it like a nice one. Then inside the bowl I'll put like corns. Look at that corns, oh my god. Then I'll add some bacon. Woof, look at that, and stir it over. Then I'll add some jalapenos pepper, and then I'll add a bit of my boiled eggs. You saw those boiled eggs I boiled before, so it was for my salads. Voila, everything is ready. Look at my salad, my plate is there. Look at the chicken, oh my god, and that salad, man. Woo, I'm gonna have that with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.